Right, I pressed the button, but it's.
I think the card might have got messed up.
No, it's videoing now. It says 7.
Okay. So what's your name, man? Ooh, they're going in reverse.
He. Yeah.
They're going in reverse.
Yeah, man.
So what are you bringing? What's your
My name is Billy.
Billy?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, man. I'm David.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. What do you bring here? What is this charcoal?
No, that is coal.
Coal.
That is coal that you use and cook with.
Yeah. Do you make the coal?
Yeah.
How do you make the coal? So you take wood. right?
Wood.
Is it special wood?
Yeah, you have special wood where you use.
Do you have the wood in your yard?
No. We go outside and
So you have to go and you chop the. It's a tree. It's a certain kind of tree,
yeah,
and you chop the tree.
yeah,
You chop the tree
yeah.
with like just a machete. Machete.
With machete, right?
Yeah. How big's the tree? Something. You don't chop something like this. It's like this.
Yeah, like that.
Like
size.
this?
Yeah.
Okay. So then, so you're an expert. Has it ever fallen on anybody before?
No.
On you?
No.
No, it's not big enough for that, right? You can just like pull it down.
Yeah, it's size are like the hand and like the feet and those size. So the big one, big one them.
Okay, is there a name for the tree? Do you know the name of the tree?
Yeah, we know the tree. We have white mango. We have red mango. We have cherry.
Okay, so when the tree's down, then you have to machete to chop it.
Yeah, we have
Like-
to chop it up. Like chop it up to this length.
Oh, okay, so that's a lot of chopping.
Yeah.
So you must be just.
So that's how we're
Yeah.
to bring it like this. Because we have to chop
Chop
up the wood,
it, then you bring it home.
then we bring it home,
Bring
then
it
we
home.
go and chop it up again.
Oh, really? Because you need it.
Then the length of this.
Okay, so when you make the coal, it's got to be chopped up before you start making the coal.
Yeah.
You chop it after the coal.
No.
Oh, so, man, you got to chop it again.
And then no.
So you all do it
we
all
have
by
to know.
hand?
We have to know. We have to clean out the spot. Clean out the spot. Then we pocket on it. Pocket on it. Then we go and cut grass. Then we go and cut some stick to go around it. Then we go and cut. They have a thing they call crab top.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we put it around it like this. Put it around it like this. And then we open it. And we throw the dirt inside it. Throw the dirt inside it. Throw the dirt right round.
So you're like preparing like the fire,
Yeah, that it now come up.
because you've got to light it. You got to light it on fire, but you got to be like, is it low? If you burn wood, it doesn't make charcoal.
No.
So is it like a low heat?
Yeah, it has to.
It's like steaming it.
It has to steam properly.
Right.
So it
Oh.
has great heat underneath it. So if it get burst anyway up the top, you can go against it.
All right, man. Respect, man. All right. How much your bag of your coal?
8 bills.
All right, we're gonna buy a bag of coal off you because it sounds so good.
Do you want a veggie? You eat veggie patty?
Yeah, man.
Okay, I got a veggie patty for you. Respect.
And we're gonna buy a bag of coal.
Billy, so
Yeah.
where's your farm? Is it
Yeah.
far? Where do you cook the coal?
It's not in the. It's not so far. But it's big bridge.
Could you tell him where to do it, and could we come over and watch you do the coal?
Yeah, I can do that
When do you do the coal? You do coal all the time?
all the time.
Like it's going now while you're.
Right, I know it's going.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
So we ain't
And then you
big
sell these to guys that do the jerk chicken on the road?
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you sell them to
And
restaurants?
the people
or
in restaurant who cook
real
food
cook?
and
Pay him
How much is it?
800 Jamaicans.
Okay. All right, so you've got like your regular customers.
yeah.
So right now you're
on
doing a
Sav
delivery.
Lamar.
Right, we just go around and
Only
Okay.
Sav? Only Sav?
Yeah.
That's good.
Get the paddy.
Oh yeah.
I got the
yeah.
phone already.
Do you know where he lives? Can you tell him where you live?
Where can I find you?
Okay. You know where they sell the fish? Hang
Yes.
up on the tree.
Yes, we just passed here, yes.
Right.
Right where we saw that fish and he said, did he see that fish?
Oh yeah. Where they selling the fish on the
Right.
road, on the side of the road.
Right.
So we'll go buy
So
some fish.
you gotta reach over the bridge.
Okay.
As you come over the bridge,
Right.
you see it.
All the
a
bags
building
the
like
same?
that.
Yes.
It's a shop.
No, we got it already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we took it.
It's a shop.
Let's get the paddy in.
He marked 24.
24.
Yeah.
All right.
You just come in our lane.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, this is ingenuity, man.
Yeah,
Big
man.
up, man. Jamaican
Yeah.
ingenuity. All right. How old your horses? Yeah, man. Respect, man. You don't know we have to support the thing and keep the thing
Going. You see?
going. Yeah.
Yeah, we can't throw down.
No.
Guy, you say we throw it down. Hey,
So
Taste
this
this
is-
and make sure it's
many
fresh.
people, not many of you, them we are grow up.
No, them not the kind of old tradition. Yeah, man.
Because every holiday, I go over school.
Right. And you give back.
And
Yes.
tour them.
Right.
Hey, me get paid to do it.
Right.
Every holiday.
Oh, tour?
Yeah, just carry them round and round
Okay,
and
like,
round
yeah.
and round. and
Oh,
round.
you put kids on here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. That was, you're not doing it. When's the next time you do it?
Eh,
David,
Every holiday.
this- you have to come around and get a paper. Marcia, come on. Come, David. Sit down here, man. Go on.
Hey, oh.
Oh, you start. Okay, get up, get up, get up.
Too much weight?
Yeah, and the back.
All right. No problem, man. Respect, guidance. See you.
We're gonna come and see you through the phone.
Hopefully you'll be home. All right.
See you,
Respect,
Billy.
here. Yeah, man.
Hey, make sure it's fresh.